So hi everyone, I'm Joško Vučić and this is my beep test. So I put the cones, blue one is the first one and the other one is the last one. These cones, yellow shows that between every cone is 5 meters, and I'm gonna prove it with this meter, which is long 5 meters. It's exactly long 500 centimeters, and I'm gonna prove you now the big distance between cones and 5 meters, and the whole distance is 20 meters. So as you can see, this is 5 meters from here to there. So second one, the third one is also 5 meters. Between third and fourth, also 5 meters. And fourth and the last one, also 5 meters. Thank you very much.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready. Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4. Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7. Start level 2, 1. Level 2, 2. Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7. Level 2, 8. Start level 3, 1. Level 3, 2. Level 3, 3. Level 3, 4. Level 3, 5. Level 3, 6. Level 3, 7. Level 3, 8. Start level 4, 1.
Level 4, 2. Level 4, 3. Level 4, 4. Level 4, 5. Level 4, 6. Level 4, 7. Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1. Level 5, 2. Level 5, 3. Level 5, 4. Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7. Level 5, 8. Level 5, 9. Start level 6, 1. Level 6, 2. Level 6, 3. Level 6, 4. Level 6, 5. Level 6, 6. Level 6, 7. Level 6, 8. Level 6, 9. Level 6, 10. Start level 7, 1. Level 7, 2. Level 7, 3. Level 7, 4. Level 7, 5. Level 7, 6. Level 7, 7. Level 7, 8. Level 7, 9. Level 7, 10. Start level 8, 1. Level 8, 2. Level 8, 3. Level 8, 4. Level 8, 5. Level 8, 6. Level 8, 7. Level 8, 8. Level 8, 9. Level 8, 10. Level 8, 11. Start level 9, 1. Level 9, 2. Level 9, 3. Level 9, 4. Level 9, 5. Level 9, 6. Level 9, 7. Level 9, 8. Level 9, 9. Level 9, 10. Level 9, 11. Start level 10, 1. Level 10, 2. Level 10, 3. Level 10, 4. Level 10, 5. Level 10, 6. Level 10, 7. Level 10, 8. Level 10, 9. Level 10, 10. Level 10, 11. Start level 11, 1. Level 11, 2. Level 11, 3.